Right. Good afternoon, students. Hopefully, all of you are in touch with what we did in the previous topic, that is organization of data. Now, having organized it, classified it, it becomes very important to follow up the good work done in the previous statistical process with a better one. And for that, to make it better, we need to present the things better, right? So once the things are organized, now it's the turn for presenting it as it's required to be. So how to present the data, right? Because the data presentation is important in statistical process. Now, data can be presented textually, that means through a paragraph. But if you are presenting the data paragraph wise, then it's not appealing, students, because you can't even remember how the things are put forward if it is in a paragraph form. So if you have to say anything about this method of presentation, it is outdated, least used method of presentation of data. Comes the next one, tabular presentation. That means with the help of tables. Now when you present the data with the help of tables, through rows, columns properly made as such, to make the things captivating, that is what we call it as tabular representation or presentation of the data. Remember, it makes it for better arrangement. Remember, classification and tabulation, both are not the same thing. Classification happens first, and then arrangement in a proper format is tabulation, which we'll discuss a little bit later. Come to the third one, students. Equally important is a method which is much more appealing, right? If you present the data in the form of, say for example, these graphs, these bars rather, right? Whether presented vertically or horizontally, both will be referred as diagrammatic presentation, right? Diagrammatic presentation with the help of a diagram. So the third method of presentation with the help of these bars is diagrammatic presentation. I hope all of you are understanding it. And the last but not the least, where you require the things to be presented more accurately, up to the mark, with precision required, specifically in the cumulative series, there you ought to follow graphical method as such. There are differences between both of them, which you will find out in the course of time, but all of them constitute various method of presentation of data. So I repeat, number one, textual, not at all common. Tabular one, diagrammatic, very common. And to be on the precise side and accurate side, we can also make it go for graphical presentation. Clear? We'll be starting in the next class, students, with the tabular method of presenting the data. Hopefully all of you understood it. Thank you.